Python variables. Python variable is containers that store values. Python is not statically typed. We do not need to declare variables before using them or declare their type. A variable is created the moment we first assign a value to it. A Python variable is a name given to a memory location. It is the basic unit of storage in a program. In this article, we will see how to define a variable in Python. 1. Creating variables. Variables are created when you assign a value to them. No need to declare the type of variable explicitly, Python automatically infers the type. X equals 10 hashtag integer. Y equals 3.14 hashtag float. Name equals Alice hashtag string. Is underscore active equals true hashtag boolean. 2. Naming variables. Variable names must start with a letter or an underscore, but not a number. Variable names can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores, AZ, 0 to 9, underscore. Python is case sensitive, so var and var are different variables. My underscore var equals 5. Underscore count equals 10. 3. Variable types. Python variables do not require an explicit declaration to define their data type. The type is inferred based on the value assigned. Common types include int, integer values; float, floating point numbers; str, string, a sequence of characters; bool, boolean, representing true or false; age equals 25 hashtag int; price equals 19.99 hashtag float; greeting equals hello hashtag str; is underscore authenticated equals false hashtag bool. 4. Reassigning variables. Variables can be reassigned to different values or types. X equals 10. X equals 10 hashtag now it's a string. 5. Multiple assignments. You can assign values to multiple variables in one line. A, B, C equals 5, Python, 3.14. 6. Global vs local variables. Variables declared outside of a function are global and accessible everywhere in the code. Variables declared inside a function are local to that function. X equals global. Def my underscore function. X equals local. Print, X, hashtag this will print local. My underscore function. Print, X, hashtag this will print global.